Hello folks, welcome to Lester's. Tracy in Texas is finishing up your Washington. I'll show you some of the things I've done. I've replaced the DC input buffer filter. It was a 470 microfarad. It's now a 3,300 microfarad. I also replaced the IF filter, the 10.7 IF filter. It was a 25 kilohertz wide filter. It's now a 18 kilohertz wide filter. Actually 19 kilohertz wide. Yeah, 19 kilohertz wide filter. Okay. Alright, let me put the covers on it and do my tune-up, which I have to do electronically now because there's no adjustments inside of this anymore. I have to go through the service menu and do it. So let me get that done and more to come. One thing I almost forgot to show you was the Palomar Max mod. Max mod is installed there now. Okay, more to come. Okay, now I've set your radio up with your Road Devil, your red Road Devil, and you can run the mic gain on the microphone all the way up if you want to. It doesn't squeal or feedback or anything like that. And I went into menu and I set the microphone up as dynamic. Okay, so if you want to use the stock mic, you're going to have to go back into the menu and change that back over to electric. You do that by holding in the channel selector. Okay, hold in the channel selector. First thing that comes up is color. Dim, tone, key beat, Roger beat, frequency indicator, DC, channel, squelch, scan skip is off, PA setting. There it is right there. Mic type. Okay, mic type. Right now it's set up for dynamic. If you want to change back to the stock mic, press in. I'm sorry, I waited too long. Okay, now we want to change that. So what you do, get up here and do it real quick before it disappears again. It starts blinking once you press the menu button again. You can change it back to electric. Okay, but for the Red Devil you want it on dynamic. Alright, so I'm going to leave it on dynamic. Okay. Okay, Tracy, got your Road Devil all wired up to your Washington. Okay, and there's no battery in it. The microphone is getting its power from the radio. I did go into the menu and change the microphone over to dynamic. So if you want to use a stock mic, you're going to need to go back into the menu and change it over back to electric. Okay, right now I'm on the Road Devil. I got the mic gain turned all the way up on the lower sideband, or lower side of channel 38. Okay, lower side of channel 38, and let's see, key down. Hello, audio. Audio 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. Audio. Oh, beating the crap out of my meter. Switch to ×2. Okay, so that means that all of these numbers on the bottom are now doubled. Okay, so 40, 50. I'm sorry. 40, 60, 80, 100, 120. I think, isn't that 60? Yeah, 120. And right in between that's going to be 140 and 180. Okay. Hello, audio. Audio 1 2 1 2 audio. Hello, audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Audio. Hello, audio. Audio. Hello, audio. Okay. I got 100-watt slugs in both sides. So that was on lower sideband. I'm going to switch to AM. I'm going to go to the center. I'm going to go to channel 20. I got the mic gain turned all the way up. Okay, we're dead keying about 20 watts. Hello, audio. Audio 1, 2. 1, 2, audio. Hello, audio. And what is that? That's about 120. Okay. All right. NRC, I've got it turned on for just the receive, that reminds me. Let me switch on the receiver so you can hear it. Switch to internal. Turn on the signal generator. Okay, I'm on AM. It's on AM, 30% modulation. Okay. Turn that back down. Let's go to, that's FM. Let me switch this guy to FM. Oh, if I can reach it. That's FM. I'm going to switch to sideband. That's upper side. That's lower side. Okay. All right. These are great radios. President hit a home part with this one. Okay. Well, Tracy, I sure hope you enjoy your new radio and microphone. It was my pleasure to set it up for you. And again, the mic is ran off of power from the radio. Okay, I tapped into the power coming out of the mic socket that they use for the electric mic. Of course, you have to drop it down. What you have to do inside the microphone is the white wire. Now I'm talking about strictly the Road Devil, the Astatic Road Devil. White wire goes to pin 1, which is modulation. Black wire goes to pin 2. Okay. The red wire goes to pin 3. There's no connection on pin 4. I'm talking about the 6-pin connector now. No connection on pin 4. On pin 5, you want to connect shield. Okay? And then on pin 6, you want to connect the blue wire on this connector. Pin 6, you want to connect the blue wire. And then you come over here to the microphone. You open up the back of the microphone. Okay? You unsolder the blue wire from the board. You put a 10 k ohm resistor in line with the blue wire and connect it to the battery red wire. In other words, cut the end off the 9-volt battery thing. Take the battery red wire, connect it through a 10 k ohm resistor to the blue wire that you just connected to pin 6. Alright? And then on the white wire inside the microphone, add a 4.7 k ohm resistor in line with the white wire. Now, the way I do it, I unsolder the white wire from the PC board inside the microphone, solder a 4.7 k ohm resistor where the wire was disconnected, and then solder the white wire to the other end of the 4.7 k, and then of course you need to put heat shrink over it before you do your soldering. Okay? Then you need to disconnect the blue wire from the PC board All right, make sure you do that before you hook it up, power it up, or whatever. Make sure that blue wire is disconnected and connected through a 10K ohm resistor to the red wire, the battery red wire. The battery black wire is going to go to the ground wire jumper on the PC board. In other words, where the shield connects, that's where you want to connect the black wire. Then you're going to run a jumper from that junction where the shield is over to where you remove the blue wire. This is all inside the microphone now. Okay? All right. Tracy, sure hope you enjoy your new radio. It was my pleasure to set it up for you. 7-3, everybody. Stay safe.